I'd like to talk with you about the requirement that the E-2 visa holder must develop and direct the operations of the company. The Foreign Affairs Manual states that the E-2 visa principal must personally demonstrate that he or she is developing and directing the company. This does not mean that the E-2 principal must manage the day-to-day operations of the company. The E-2 principal does not even need to spend a majority of the time inside the United States. Remember that an executive or supervisory employee can come to the United States as an E-2 visa holder and manage the day-to-day operations of the company. My very first E-2 visa case many years ago was an investment by a physician from Newfoundland, Canada, for a restaurant located in St. George, Utah. His son lived in St. George, and they wanted to establish a fine dining restaurant. The doctor put up the money, and the doctor's brother, who also lived in Canada, came to the United States as a supervisory employee. They both obtained the E-2 visa, the brother as an employee, and the doctor continued his medical practice in Canada. The doctor developed and directed the operations of the investment company. He spoke often with his son and his brother during the construction of the restaurant and made suggestions regarding personnel and marketing strategy. And he left the day-to-day operations to his son and to his brother. He traveled to Utah when he wanted to be able to discuss the operations of the company. But there's no set period of time that he had to spend in the United States as the E-2 principal. Of course, the E-2 principal can manage the day-to-day operations of the business. He or she just does not have to. If you want to invest in the United States and you think that the E-2 visa is right for you, give me a call. We'll talk about it. We'll review your plans and get you here on an E-2.